Hi, and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. Today we are doing a quick bite. And if you watch my channel, you know that a quick bite is a short video with tips and tricks that every home cook should know. So today, I'm going to show you how to properly measure your dry ingredients. I recently heard from a viewer who made my cherry almond snowball cookies and said they were way too dry. Now, I've made that recipe many times, and I suspect the culprit might be that she inadvertently added too much flour and/or too much powdered sugar. It's an easy mistake to make. I'm going to show you how it happens and how to avoid it. And in order to do that, I have flour, powdered sugar, and a scale. If you're a super serious baker, you should not be measuring your ingredients with a measuring spoon. You should be doing everything by weight. But the home cook, we don't have to get crazy. Okay, so a lot of people, the way they measure their flour, they scoop it in the flour, give it a shake, and dump it in. Okay. That is 187 grams of flour. And it is also the wrong way to measure it. So now I'm going to show you the proper way to do it. You want to fluff the flour first. Then you're going to spoon it into your measuring cup. And then you level it. And that is 132 grams of flour. Big difference, 50 grams worth of difference, and then some, 55 I think. That is the difference between a light, buttery, flaky cookie and a hockey puck. Don't let this happen to you. And the same is true of the powdered sugar. Half cup. I just go in there. 92 grams. Okay. And now we'll do the scoop and level method as I make a mess. $61 grams. Do you see the difference? It really can affect the outcome of your bake. And you know, if you're doing a lot of Christmas baking right now, you want to make sure you're doing it right. If you have a question for me or a comment, please leave it down below. I respond to every single one. If you found this video informative, please give me a thumbs up. Join me here at home with Anita Rosner. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.